Grady Dog Story. Once upon a time, a dog was crying a fresh meat in his mouth and was walking happily to his home. On his way, he walked on the bank of the river and saw another dog bringing meat just like him. Seeing the other dog, the first dog made up his mind and stole that meat so he can have more food. Unbeknownst to the dog, it was his own reflection in the water. He recklessly moved closer and opened his mouth to growl. Suddenly, he fell into the river and lost the grip of the meat from his mouth. As he managed to climb over the river, he realized how stupid and greedy he had been.